In this video I am going to discuss about arrays in PHP. Array is collection of similar data, that is array can store one or more values in a single variable name. The values stored in an array are called the array elements. Each element in the array has its own index so that it can be easily accessed. The array index value starts from 0. So these are the indices and these are here the values will be entered. Suppose I am assigning as a student's mark list, this 0th index I can assign some value 90, 80, like that values will be there. But using this index I can access these arrays. Some examples where the concept of array can be implemented, like list of temperatures recorded every hour, list of employees in an organization, list of products and their cost sold by a store, test scores of a class students, list of customers and their telephone numbers, table of daily rainfall data. So PHP supports three types of arrays. One is indexed or numeric arrays, second one is associative arrays and multi-dimensional arrays. Indexed or numeric arrays are array with numeric index. Associative array where each ID is associated with a value. Multi-dimensional, an array containing one or more arrays. A numeric array. In this video I am going to discuss only about these numeric arrays. Associative arrays and multi-dimensional array will be discussed in the later videos. A numeric array stores each array element with a numeric index. There are two ways we can create arrays. In the first example, the index is automatically assigned. So using the array keyword, just directly I am giving A, B, C, D. So index 0, 1, 2, like that it will be automatically assigned. Here also season, summer is 0, 1, 2, index is automatically assigned. Or we can create manually by this way. So array of 0 equal to 1, array of 1 equal to C, like that, season of 0 equal to summer, season of 1 equal to winter, like that we can generate. So some examples, I am using cars and arrays, Volvo, BMW, Toyota. I am just printing, I like cars of 0 is equal to Volvo, cars of 1 BMW, and I am just adding one more string, so printing, and finally cars of 2, Toyota will print here. So same example, but using for loop how we can display. So I am just calculating the array length. Array length is 3. So this loop will continue till it becomes 3. So I am starting with 0. Cars of 0 will print, cars of 1 will print, cars of 2 will print. Finally it will exit the loop. So 3 values will be printing. So like that we can access the arrays through loops. So two examples we have seen. First, automatically assigning the index array 1, 2, 3, 4, just printing using for each loop. For each loop, numbers as value, this value will be printing here. Same way, numbers of 0 equal to 1, numbers of 1 equal to 2, like that I am assigning, manually assigning. That also I am just printing. So this will be printed like this. One more example with for each loop. Array red, green, blue, yellow. So colors, I am just colors as value. I am just printing these values. So these values will keep on printing. In between I am using break. So next line it will be printing. Some sorting functions used arrays in PHP. Basically sort, it will sort in the arrays values in the ascending order. Or sort means it will give in a descending order. These 4 values will be discussed when we discuss about associative arrays. So one more example for sorting the numbers. I am using some numbers. Instead of these numbers we can use some random numbers also. So I am using 40, 61, 2, 22 and 13. I am just using this sort keyword. So sort function I am just giving in the arrays, so it will give the sorted values. These values I am just printing using the for loop. So echo numbers, these values, sorted values will be printed here. So simply using the sort function we can sort. Some more functions are using in used in PHP, that is explode, it splits a string into array elements. Implode joins the array element into a string. Range, it generates a number range as an array. Minimum finds the smallest value in an array. Maximum finds the largest value in an array. Shuffle means it randomly rearranges the sequence of elements in an array. Array slice extracts a segment of an array. Array shift removes an element from the beginning of an array. Array unshift adds an element to the beginning of an array. Array pop removes an element end of an array. Array push adds an element to the end of an array. Array unique removes duplicate elements from an array. Array reverse reverses the sequence of elements in an array. Array underscore merge combines two or more arrays. We can combine two or more arrays. Array intersect calculates the common elements between two or more arrays. Array difference calculates the difference between two arrays. In array checks if a particular value exists in the array or not. Array key exists, checks a particular key exists in an array or not. So these functions with associative array and multidimensional array, we will discuss some of these functions. Thank you.